It's been very windy in Tokyo for the past few days. In fact, they've had to offer warnings at Roppongi Hills.
There are strong winds ahead. Please watch your step and make sure hats and other belongings are not blown away.
And many people were losing hats and other belongings. The announcement came in several languages. As it echoed through the Roppongi Hills area, near the spider there's a little windsock. You can see it spinning there. And there's another one over by the waterfalls. The warnings came over megaphones that were being held by police who were blocking off certain areas where the winds were highest. The announcements came in Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and English.
There are strong winds ahead. Please watch your step and make sure hats and other belongings are not blown away.